The wait is over, and honestly, it feels like this one arrived right on time. The 2026 Adria Action Sport 391LH is finally here in its production-ready form, and it pretty much delivers on everything that was promised. Now, if you're not familiar with it, the Adria Action lineup has been around since 2004. It's a super popular series of compact teardrop-style travel trailers designed mainly for the European market. Over the years, it hasn't changed much in terms of looks or function, which isn't necessarily a bad thing because people already loved it. But for 2026, things get a lot more interesting. There are two main versions of this trailer: the standard model and the sport version. The sport is what Adria calls soft road, so think slightly bigger wheels, tougher looking tires, and a more rugged vibe overall. It's not built for serious off-roading, but it definitely looks the part and can handle a bit more than your average campsite. What's new this year is the sport version of the 391LH layout. We'd seen the standard version before, but this is the first time it gets the sport treatment. It was teased last year and then officially shown off at major Caravan shows in Dusseldorf and Birmingham, and now we finally have all the details. On the outside, it still keeps that iconic rounded shape, but there are some nice upgrades. It rides on a single axle with an improved chassis, an enclosed underbelly, and extra protection underneath. One big change is that there's no wood used in the construction anymore, which should make it more durable over time. It's still compact, coming in at just under 6 meters long, but inside it feels surprisingly spacious. That's helped by the addition of more windows, especially up front in the dining area, which really opens things up and brings in a lot of natural light. You can even add exterior LED lighting to highlight those curves at night, which gives it a really cool look at the campsite. There's also a new roof rack that can carry up to 70 kilos, and the front gas box has been redesigned to blend in better with the body. Small touches, but they make a difference. Step inside, and the redesign is even more noticeable. The curved design language continues throughout the interior, so everything feels softer and more modern. Sharp edges are gone, and the updated colors make the space feel bigger than it actually is. In terms of sleeping, it's officially a 3-berth trailer. The front dinette can turn into a large double bed big enough for 3 people, or you can configure it as 2 single beds. There's even a setup where you keep a small dining area while still having a bed ready, which is pretty impressive for something this size. The kitchen has also been reworked to be more practical. You still get a 2-burner gas cooktop and a sink, but now there's a larger fridge and clever storage solutions like a slide-out spice rack. On the opposite side, there's an extendable counter that clicks into place easily, giving you more prep space when you need it. One of the biggest upgrades is the bathroom. It now features a smart swinging wall system that basically lets you switch between a wet and dry bathroom setup. It's a clever use of space and something you'd normally see in larger motorhomes. As for weight, it starts just over 1,100 kilos and can go up depending on how you spec it. There's a freshwater tank included, and you can add extras like a wastewater tank or a Bluetooth sound system if you want to customize it further. Pricing starts at around 26,500 euros, but with options, it can climb closer to 30,000 euros. Like most things in this category, the final price really depends on how you configure it and where you're buying it from. Overall, this feels like a smart evolution of something people already loved. It keeps that distinctive style, but adds more practicality, better materials, and a few clever features that make life on the road just a bit easier. Even if you're just browsing, it's definitely one of those trailers that's nice to look at and even better to imagine taking out on your next trip.